In this tutorial, we are going to talk about variables in Java, and we are going to develop it using IntelliJ IDE. So I'll bring it up. Let's create a project. Let's call it tutorial. Yeah. So when you have the project created, you need to create the files that you're going to work with. So just right click on source and go new class. What we need to create now is variables. So here we need to create a main function. Right, so variables have type and variable name. So type integer, float, character, string, yeah, and minimum. So when you want to declare a variable, you write a type of this instance, let's say string, and then the variable name, let's say name. So you can also declare an integer, let's say age. So this is declaring variables. So but you can initialize values to the variables. So for instance, let's say 40. So you have a variable of name of type string, and variable name age of type integer, but you have the values 40 and initiated with them. So if we want to display that on the screen, we just go system name system page. So this will, so if you run it, it will display age and name. Yep, so it is name locking and age 14. So let's say instead you don't want to print them out separately. So in this case, we need to concatenate them. So to concatenate a variable, you use plus sign. So age, just put age there instead of having two our system.out print line. So we just have one and we concatenate this, but this will print. Okay, let's just see what it will do. So this prints name and age all joined together. So if you want to put them in, if you want to put a space between Lukang and age of 14, you just go, you concatenate a space like that. So now we will have space between them. Yes. You can also use a plus, and which is used for concatenation for adding numbers. So let's say integer a equals 5, then integer b equals 7. So the sum will equals to a plus b. Oh, sum. We just output sum. So this will print out 12. But you can also declare variables or multiple variables if they're of the same type. For example, instead of declaring this type, we just take that out and we just put a comma here and b equals 7. This is something. You will just output 12 as well. Yeah, output 12. And you don't also need to add variables. You could just add numbers here. So 5 plus 7. This is also equals 12. Yep, that's the end of our variable. Thank you.